Right now, you're probably relying on one income source, your job. And if you're watching this, you already know that's not enough. The average person needs 37 years to build meaningful wealth through salary alone. But what if I told you that you could start generating income from 5 completely different sources, starting this week? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build multiple income streams that'll change your financial reality. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate, proven methods people are using right now to make $500 to $50,000 extra every single month. Let's start with the fastest income stream you can activate: freelancing. If you have any marketable skill, writing, design, coding, virtual assistants, social media management, you can start earning within days. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal connect you directly to clients willing to pay for your expertise. Here's the real number. The average freelancer on these platforms earns $15 to $50 per hour, but specialized skills like copywriting or web development easily command $50 to $150 per hour. The beauty is you control your schedule. You could earn $500 extra per month working just 10 hours weekly. The barrier to entry is nearly zero. You just need a laptop and internet. Next, digital products. This is where side hustles become genuinely passive. A digital product is something you create once and sell infinitely. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service nightmare. I'm talking about online courses, templates, ebooks, Notion templates, Canva designs, or even presets for photographers. Someone I know created a $29 email marketing course on Gumroad. In month 1, she made $400. By month 6, she was making $20 monthly with zero additional work. The initial effort is heavy. You'll spend 40 to 60 hours building your first course. But once it's live, sales roll in passively. The platform takes a small cut, and you keep the rest. Now let's talk about true passive income: dividend-paying stocks. This is how wealthy people actually think about money. When you buy shares in dividend-paying companies, think major corporations like Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, or Coca-Cola. You get paid quarterly just for owning them. A share of Microsoft costs roughly $420. If you own 100 shares, that's $42,000. At a 0.6% dividend yield, you'll earn about $2 per year, paid to you automatically. Compound this across 10 stocks, and suddenly you're earning $20,000 to $5,000 annually with zero effort. Reinvest those dividends, and you're building exponential wealth. For beginners in the stock market and basics of share market investing, this is the foundation of long-term financial independence. Here's the income method most people overlook: the hybrid approach. Combine 2 or 3 of these streams strategically. For example, create a course teaching your freelancing skill. Promote it to your freelance clients while continuing to earn hourly rates. Or become a dividend investor while running a Fiverr side hustle: your gig income funds, your stock purchases. One creator I know does exactly this. She freelances 20 hours weekly, earning $3,000 monthly, sells digital templates, earning $1,000 monthly, and owns dividend stocks, generating $200 monthly. Total monthly income, $4,700, built over 18 months. This isn't one-off luck, it's a strategy. Let me be clear about something. None of these income streams are truly passive in the beginning. They require work, strategy, and patience. But here's what's different. You're working toward ownership. With a job, you trade time for money forever. With these methods, you're building assets that generate income independently. Freelancing builds your reputation and client base. Digital products are assets you own outright. Stocks compound and multiply. This is how normal people build wealth. Your action plan is simple. This week, choose one income stream. If you have limited capital and want to start immediately, pick freelancing. List your first service today. If you have 40 hours to invest, build one Dividend digital product. If you have 1,000 to 2,000, open a brokerage account and buy your first Dividend stocks. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Build one income stream to $500 monthly, then add the second. The compound effect of multiple income sources is how you escape the one-job trap. Remember, this is educational content about personal finance and investment strategy, not financial advice. Do your research and make decisions aligned with your goals. If this framework resonates with you, like this video and subscribe for weekly strategies that actually move the needle on your personal finance. The wealthiest people you know didn't get there through salary alone. They built multiple income streams. You can too. Start this week and come back when you've earned your first $500 from a source that isn't your job. I want to hear about it in the comments.